Hi friends, today we're playing codeSpark. I am Create-a-Foo, that's the name. So first, let's choose the eyes, but I like this eye has eyelashes. Next, we're going to choose the skin. You just tap which one you want, but I want tan. Yeah, tan. Let's choose a hair. I unlocked many, but not in this one. So let's choose one. You have to play this. So I'm gonna choose this one. Or how about this one? You can choose the hair color you want on the bottom. I will choose purple. This kind of purple. I know it's like. Next, we have to like choose the eyes. So I choose this eyes, but not eyes. Some are cheeks, like things on your face, and some are sunglasses and eyes. So next, we will do the outfit. I would like a China outfit, but let's pick the color. So I'm going to choose a simple color, which is blue. Next, we're going to do the whole thing. She's going to be holding a phone. Oh my. Yeah. And then you can create a story, adventure, and a platform.